cute boys to men, mama. Mom, I don't know the words. I know Dear Mama by Tupac. Even as a crack fiend, mama, you always was a black queen, mama. Just playing. My mama never did no crack. But anyway, y'all, it is The Hobbyist. You already know what this is, who this is. This is my mama, y'all. I drew up a portrait of my mama. And y'all want to know something? When I showed her this, she didn't even like it. She said her jaw looked big. So I'm like, shit. I thought I did a great job. But you know, it's a learning process with this digital creation or whatever. So, just stay tuned and see if the jaw look big. Y'all see the reference photo. Let me know. If y'all know my mama personally, let me know in the comment section what y'all think. Do this look like my mama? Even as a crack fiend, mama, you always was a black queen, mama. But in all seriousness, y'all, I had a really good time doing this. I worked a lot with the shadows. This is my second portrait. First one was of myself, and it came out how it came out. But I thought I did a really good job with this one. Worked on the texture in the hair. I felt like I was able to define her facial features without having too much line work. It's still a learning process though, and I'm really excited about how it's coming along. Looking forward to watching myself in my progress. So that's a part of the reason why I do these videos, because a year from now, man, I might be out here painting murals, doing album covers, writing several books, selling canvas art. You never know. Fucking with me. I'm the hobbyist, baby. And by now you know, and if you don't know, you broke. I add plants to every single thing I do. I just gotta put a little in it, put a little green in it, so it wasn't right until it had the green. So yeah, that's how I set off the portrait of my mother. Let me know in the comments below if you think it looks like my mom. Let me know in the comments below if whatever you want to let me know. Engage, shit. I need to blow up. 50 followers at this point. You know me. I'm trying to reach for the stars, baby. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.